Lost my husband when I was in my first month of pregnancy. We had just found out we were pregnant, and 5 days after that, unfortunately, he passed away. And he was somebody who I've almost grown up with, like 15 years of being bestest of friends and soulmates. I mean, he was really, honestly, I can't believe it I'm saying was, but he was my backbone, really. मेरे ज़िंदगी का सबसे बड़ी खुशी और सबसे बड़ा दुख एक साथ आया. दिमाग ही काम करना बंद कर दिया, honestly.
Welcome, Neha.
Thank you so much, Mansi.
Your energy is infectious. Like, she's been in the studio for like 15 minutes and she's already got like so much of positive vibe. Tell me, let's take a step back and say, what happened and how are you today?
Thank you, firstly. Believe it or not, I've sobered down over the years. How am I today? How am I in life generally? I think I'm hustling. I'm trying to keep it together. I think I'm definitely positive because that's the only thing that works. But what has happened, you ask? In a nutshell, I mean, yes, I lost my husband when I was in my first month of pregnancy. We had just found out we were pregnant, and 5 days after that, unfortunately, he passed away. And he was somebody who I've almost grown up with, like 15 years of being bestest of friends and soulmates. I mean, he was really, honestly, I can't believe it I'm saying was, but he was my backbone, really. The two closest people in my life have been my mother and him, and actually in the order of him and my mother, and unfortunately both of them are not with me now. Lost my mother 3.5 years back. So I think suddenly life became very serious, and you don't anticipate such things, right? Like you take some time to get back to life, and just when you think things were going uphill, this is what happens sometimes in life, right? All my energies since last year have been, I can't control what's happened. What can I do now, and how can I meet this situation gracefully? So yeah, that in a nutshell.
Did you ever question why me?
No. No, and I would be very honest, because that's what we usually do.
Yeah.
That's what we always do. I think here I would say that I'm blessed because I've, I don't know, in my life I've had a background of being blessed with, a lot of a spiritual upbringing, or, these, maybe life was preparing me for something like this. But usually जब कुछ अच्छा होता है तो हम तो पूछते नहीं ना हमारे साथ क्यों हो रहा है. मुझे I'll tell you honestly, मुझे वाई में पूछने का वक्त नहीं मिला. मेरे साथ तो ऐसा हो गया था कि ये एक और मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि मेरे इन-लॉज जो हैं उनके 2 बेटे थे. मेरे हस्बैंड के छोटे भाई जो उनसे 2 साल छोटे थे, अनफॉर्चुनेटली 2 साल पहले, एंड इट्स सो वियर्ड एंड सो अनकैनी, 9th of January ही पास्ड अवे, एंड ठीक 2 साल बाद 11 जनवरी को मेरे हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई. एंड मेरे बेचारे इन लॉज, मतलब देव लॉस्ट बोथ देयर सन्स, एंड आई वाज प्रेग्नेंट. तो उस वक्त वाई मी का तो बिल्कुल ख्याल एक्चुअली इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट सेंस आया. obviously I was shocked and shattered beyond words, लेकिन एक चीज़ बस मुझे उस वक्त पता थी, और suddenly जैसे epiphany, it's a moment of clarity you get कि, and I'm getting goosebumps and I'm saying it, what do I do now? Because I'm looking at him and I'm like, what do I do now? But there was just one thing I was sure of, कि I am meant to be here, I am meant to do this, the soul has chosen me to come through me, and my poor, like this is so much of grief and hurt to handle.
Yeah.
So I don't know, I got a very strong anchor in that thought, in that sense. I found, I don't know, yaar, it sounds very, I found my purpose. I think this is my calling to be here at this place, to be a mother and to be in this family. I mean, it's...
Did you give yourself time to grieve over, or did you say, I have parents to look after, I have my health to look after, because I am raising and nurturing something within me, and this cannot let it affect me.
Exactly.
Did you ever just wholeheartedly grieve, or just...
No, so that's what your former part of your बिल्कुल वैसे ही हुआ कि क्या हुआ ना, मतलब मैं उस अल्फा जोन में चली गई कि I have to keep it together, I have to do this, that, like देखो आई वाज वेरी अर्ली इनटू माय प्रेगनेंसी. मतलब एक्चुअली हमने बिकॉज वी वर प्लानिंग इट, तो हमने थोड़ा सा पहले
Too
पता
much
कर लिया
excitement.
था. हमने थोड़ा सा पहले पता कर लिया था. टेक्निकली अगर हम लोग जैसे हम इफ नेचर हैज टू टेक इट्स कोर्स एंड यू हैव टू वेट फॉर यू
Yeah.
टू मिस द पीरियड एंड स्टफ, अगर वो होता, सी एवरीथिंग हैज अ रीजन एंड थैंक
Yeah.
गॉड वी फाउंड आउट अर्ली, अदरवाइज बेचारे को पता भी नहीं होता.
Yeah.
तो बट माई डॉक्टर, इवन माई गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट, बिकॉज दैट्स इज द जॉब टू टेल यू कि आप सोच लो, यू आर यंग एंड यू हैव योर होल लाइफ, यू डोंट हैव टू गो अहेड विद दिस, यू नो. सो
Yeah.
नंबर वन पहला तो स्टेप पड़ाव नहीं बोलूंगी मैं, पहला तो वो था कि, तो आई वॉज वेरी श्योर. आई सेड नो आई एम श्योर अबाउट एनीथिंग इट इज दिस, सो थैंक यू, बिकॉज वॉट दिस पर्सन, आई मीन वॉट ही मीन्स एंड वॉट, आई मीन it's so beautiful firstly.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so sad. No, madam, I just break. Actually मुझे ये सिचुएशन के बारे में समझ में नहीं आता. You know, it's मेरे ज़िंदगी का सबसे बड़ी खुशी और सबसे बड़ा दुख एक साथ आया. दिमाग ही काम करना बंद कर दिया ऑनेस्टली. बट आई वाज श्योर कि ये दिस विल बी, आई विल बी अ मॉम, आई विल ब्रिंग दिस सोल. ठीक है, नंबर वन. बट देयर व्हेन यू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, इट्स अबाउट अ चॉइस you make, it's a decision you take. So then I immediately couldn't allow myself to grieve much. I also know कि denial of your feelings also is not healthy and doesn't work. So actually initial first 1 month was very bad and I had literally locked myself up and didn't want to see anybody, didn't want to take calls. तो वो थोड़ा सा I don't know, you know, depression जैसा phase. But मुझे पता था कि मैं I allowed myself that much time.
Yeah.
I did a little bit. The first 20 days, 23 days or something. Uske baad, I just snapped out, you know, and I started going out, meeting my friends, because I was like, I will do everything in my capacity. मैं जितना कर सकती हूँ, मैं अपने आप को खुश रखने की कोशिश करूँगी, because it's a serious thing. Stress during pregnancy, you know, does lead to behavioral disorders in children.
Yeah.
It's so sad. I mean,
Did you ever feel guilty of being happy while you were pregnant?
no. If anything, I think, so that's the thing. My husband has left me with a beautiful gift for life. And if anything, I would feel guilty about grieving. It would be the other way around. It would be like, hello, you know, I have such a big responsibility. I think maybe my baby did give me that, he was actually my anchor. So thanks to, maybe, you know, sometimes I think agar main pregnant nahi hoti tha, probably it would have been, I would have been like any other case of grief. Itself is so difficult to handle or samajh me, you know. So maybe actually my pregnancy did help me cope with it, I would say. It could go anyway, it could go both sides, but it's a choice that, you know, if you can make that choice. And I said कि there are two ways to look at it, या तो मैं नीचे देखूं या तो मैं ऊपर देखूं.
You know, I think grief is something that just comes in a very subtle moments when you actually do not know. So grief is not only sometimes about tears, and you would know this better than me, but it's about those moments which are just fleeting by and you miss the person and you feel.
So I'll tell you, it's not the big things, it's just the little things that hit you like a sledgehammer. Suddenly uski yaad aati hai, and it's, you know, unbearable at that time. And but you know, here I'll something that did help me deal with the grief, like when I met my therapist, and the first thing she said, grief is a very non-linear emotion. So don't expect कि पहले जैसे ये मेरी mother के time पे actually honestly I think because of my mother's death I was able to handle his death in a slightly more aware, woke manner in terms of I had after my mother. I think one thing I must say here कि, you know, हम लोगों को बहुत, we face so many things in life, and this is for everybody, huh? We must go and seek help outside, speak to a counselor, speak to somebody. क्योंकि पता है क्या, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको पता नहीं होती. जैसे मुझे पता नहीं था, मम्मी के टाइम पे मुझे पता चला था कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि ग्रीफ क्या होता है. ग्रीफ क्या एक वर्ड होता है, और कि हम दुखी हैं, कि हम मिस कर रहे हैं या whatever. बट ऐसा नहीं होता. ग्रीफ के इतने, यू नो, इट्स अ रेंज ऑफ इमोशंस. आपको गुस्सा आएगा, आप चिढ़ोगे, या फिर आप कभी कभी, यू नो, इट्स एंगर, हर्ट, गिल्ट, sadness, everything. So, and it's very non-linear in the sense these things
you
keep coming in
different stages at different days and different
so you
points,
cannot,
right? How do you keep yourself sane? When did you say, okay, I need professional help? Because that's like a big stigma till date in the country.
See, our parents' generations were not so fortunate as we are. Abhi bhi bahut kaam baki hai in this you know, field, because awareness, I think what I'm talking about is awareness. Awareness is the key. मैं बोलूँगी हम लोग तो फिर भी बहुत लकी हैं,
Evolved
और
है.
जो
We are
जो
a
सुन रहे हैं, देख
1%.
रहे हैं, ये जो हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, we are still part of a very very small
Top
lucky,
1 percentile of the
you know,
population,
but
right?
because like I'll tell you where it honestly where it began for me was my mother has gone through hell in her life in terms of, see, as a child she was sexually abused. They didn't know what to do back then.
Yeah.
She has gone through so much that when she raised us, na, she always gave us a protective, like, she empowered me.
Yeah.
She empowered me to do whatever. So I became like this, chalo ye karna hai, wo karna, independent and everything.
Who was your biggest support system through your pregnancy and now when your son is 6 months old?
Family to sabse bada support system hota hai. My in-laws and my father, they've constantly been with me. But that is, they help you as much as they can to be around and logistically help you and do
Yeah.
stuff. But emotionally, generation gaps hote hain, you need an emotional anchor
Yeah.
at that time. And for me, I was very fortunate last year. But I just came to know that there's something called as a happiness circle that happens in my complex. And it was so, that actually has been so beautiful and helpful. We would just meet and we would take up the moderator, and there are people who do such beautiful work, like
Yeah.
empaths who are there in this world to fill that gap of this emotional healing. And we would so it's, you can call it self work in one way, but it's more like suddenly I found this support system, like these beautiful people, and it really helped, because we would talk about life, emotions, everything.
When you were posting stuff on social and you have some beautiful pictures of your pregnancy, did people's judgment of you ever bother you?
हमारे देश में जजमेंट की कोई कमी नहीं है, वैसे तो दुनिया में ही कमी नहीं है. Being a woman, I'm sure everybody has gone through, like
Yeah,
you started,
yeah.
right? Everybody has an opinion on how you, especially if you're a woman and pregnant and stuff. And I was firstly non-apologetic about putting my, in fact, bare bump is to like a big this thing. So in one of my pictures, तो मेरा bump दिख रहा था, और मेरे relatives वगैरह जो Facebook वगैरह हैं, Facebook,
I mean, you found support through social as well.
Yes, if people are getting inspired by it, then great. I feel that, so my whole thing has been, chalo theek hai, good. I'm trying to live my life. I'm trying to live my life to the best of my capacity. Agar isse kisi ka bhala ho raha hai, to very good. I've got emails saying that you are an inspiration to us, you are helping us, and that really warms my heart. But it's also the other way, when you get that kind of encouragement and you feel ki, you're not alone.
And I think what I love about it, Neha, is the imperfection of it all, right? Because everybody just seems to have a perfect filter on all the time. Like, I'm glad you speak about it, because as humans, and I feel that's one of the reasons why I connected with you so instantly, because I could see the human behind the picture. And maybe those were your words or whatever, but I could see the mom behind the picture, and I was like, listen, she's bared her soul for no reason. And I think if that can rightly, like you rightly said, if it inspires people, then why not?
Yeah, because life is not only hunky-dory and everything good,
Exactly.
na?
Tell me now, what? Like, have you thought of, so there's one part of it which is the emotional part, which kind of, you need to learn to deal with. But the other part of it is also the reality part of it, right? Like, you need to embrace it. Okay, this has happened. Like you said, I have 3 senior citizens and 1 child to look after. What am I going to do? How am I going to take it in my stride? And how did you plan forward?
Hoping for the best and being prepared for the worst is an important thing. I mean, anything can happen in life. Like, I knew when we were planning that I would not be working for some time. So, that was there. But husband tha, to fir itne tension nahi hoti, like there is somebody who managed. But now suddenly when he also passed away, and I was like, oh my God, the timing of it was like, I can't even work now.
Yeah.
Or the work has really slowed down. It's
Yeah.
like, I did some work, but it was not, what I would usually. Planning to yehi hai ki yaar, savings hai, by the grace of God, parents hai, support hai, but, you have to, like I said, you can't be prepared to such a large extent.
Yeah.
Something can happen, but I think having a corpus fund, for example, कि anything in life goes wrong, then I have this X amount that I can bank
Yeah.
on for some time.
Yeah.
I think that worked because I've been a saver all my life. And my husband was also a saver.
Do you feel like the sleepless nights, I wish there was somebody who could share this, or like, like pakdo, like I can't do this anymore? Do you feel like those?
Yeah, all the time, and I miss my husband all the time. But see, the thing is, bichara, I always feel that poor guy didn't opt out, right? Like,
Yeah.
so there's no choice. So I don't, here I try to not, I try to see what I have in front of me.
Yeah.
So I have my in-laws and my father, like they are only available. Sabka ek pocket of time hota hai. Those nights and morning when I'm like so sleepy, I have to deal with it, so I deal with it.
But tell us about the ecosystem. So, like,
Yeah. Our
everybody's
ecosystem
close
very
by.
clear. Yes, I have my in-laws and my father, so I do give the baby to them. I'm able to come out and be with you right now because I'm at peace because he's with my in-laws. I choose to not leave baby with anybody else other than these three because I don't trust anybody. That's the thing with babies and kids, you can't really nowadays. But so ecosystem, I mean, and now that I've shifted houses, I'm just staying right above my in-laws, so that I can start my gymming, I can start my work, I can start everything. So everything is in the pipeline. So meet me after 6 months.
Okay, we're going to see like a swelled version of you.
I hope so. I'm still 18 kilos more than what I've obviously.
Does that bother you?
Not really. But I mean, it does because
How
work.
skinny were
I'll
you
tell you.
if you're like 18
I
kilos
wasn't
old?
skinny, but I still am. I had put on 22 kilos throughout. Abhi 18, 15, I think.
You have
15.
hope because I was 22 kilos up as well.
You? Yeah. Oh, yeah. See?
What is that one thing that you hate doing about the baby and you feel like somebody take this baby away? And is there ever that moment?
Shit. Am I going to sound too this thing when I say no? Because I'm really enjoying him. But there are times when he's in the mornings, early
Yeah.
mornings, and the afternoon when
When you
I'm
wanna,
when
like,
I'm
really
so
want to take a nap?
I would really want to sleep and saying, And he's like, and he'll be like, see, the thing is, that's why you can't be mad at babies, yeah. Like 6 in the morning every day. So the thing is, see, touch wood, see, babies they get their sleep, no? वो सुबह उसकी क्या गलती है? वो तो रात को जल्दी सो गया था. आपको बोला था किसी ने रात को देर में सोने के लिए? नहीं, आप फिर भी, baby went to sleep at 9 o'clock. I'm like, me time. The baby goes to sleep and I'm like, okay, Netflix, what's happening? And I'm cute in Instagram, Netflix, सब करना है मुझे, सब करना है. मम्मी आती है 1 बजे सोने को रात को. सुबह 6 बजे उठाएगा, तो उसकी तो गलती नहीं है.
Correct.
Honestly, at that time, I mean, I keep, there's no reason to get mad at him, yeah. So it's just like, my choice, ab bhugto. So it's more like, you take responsibility for it. It's my responsibility. So, but one thing is there, when like in mid-mornings and stuff, when afternoon I want to catch my nap, I feed him and I just give him to hello ecosystem. I give them to the mother-in-law. But that's only that little one window I get, yeah. It's not the, even though you would like to, you don't honestly get that much time to.
Soon because you're already inching close towards your siesta time.
Oh, no. Oh, I thought your studio. No, I'm very happy when I'm outside. This is like sleep. Like, I'm like, this is my day out.
I was like, अभी नेहा बोलेगी चलो मेरा सोने का टाइम हो गया.
मेरा कोई सोने का टाइम नहीं है. अब जहाँ 10 मिनट. I was a person who could not sleep unless the curtains are drawn and there's pin drop silence. अभी तो क्या वो कर रहा है, मैं सो रही हूँ. 10 मिनट बाद उठती हूँ. अच्छा आधा घंटा हो गया, come baby come. And he's also so touchwood, right? That's a cute.
But we were just chatting about that, right? That how I think God gives, like I truly believe that there is a connection between the right baby matched to the right parent, right? I used to be exactly like this, like the baby going, and I'm like, okay, just nurse and go to sleep.
Yeah, perfect. वो ऐसे ही है.
So
He'll wait first. He'll get up in the morning and he'll play by himself. He'll keep looking at me. गलती से अगर मैंने आँख खोल के उसे देख लिया, he's like, full of us. And, there's like very little light in the room and also but he can see me very clearly and I can also see उतना आँख वाँख दिख जाता उसको. मैंने आँख खोले तो the moment he's like, doing this and he's like, the moment he's like, goes like, उठो मस्ती करेंगे. I'm like, no, I doesn't देखना, खतरे से खाली नहीं है इसको. So I don't get mad at him. But yeah, those times when I need relief, I just go and take him, nicely go and give to my in-laws.
Right. Really, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mansi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.